Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar give lecture and discussion on the parameters and the metrics for the college university for the NIRF ranking. NIRF ranking, this is a methodology for the ranking of the university and the colleges in India. This is set by the Department of the Higher Education, Ministry of the Human Resource Development, Government of India. NIRIF, National Institution Ranking Framework. For the university and the colleges, this is given for the ranking and the framework. This is the parameter and matrices for the colleges. Parameter and matrices for the college. Process of peer rating in the category PR, that is equal to the 50 marks. Process of rating in the category, that is the PR, that is the overview colleges, summary of the ranking parameter finalized by the MHRD. Parameters, marks and the weightage. Teaching, learning and resources, 100 marks, weightage 0.40. Research, productivity, impact and the IPR, 100 marks, that is the weightage 0.20. Graduation outcome, GO, 100 marks, weightage 0.15. Outreach and inclusivity, OI, 100 marks, 0.15. Perception, 100 marks, 0.10. Cumulative seat parameter, teaching, learning and resources, that having weightage 0.40. Teacher student ratio with emphasis on the permanent faculty, 30 marks. Combined metric for the faculty with the PhD and experience, 30 marks. Metric for the library and laboratory facility, 30 marks. Metric for sport and extracurricular activity, 10 marks. Research productivity, impact and the IPR ranking weightage 0.20. Combined metric or publication, 45 marks. Combined metric for the citation, 45 marks. Intellectual property rights, 10 marks. Graduation outcome, combined performance in university, 50 marks. Ranking weightage 0.15. Outcome of the examination, public net, 50 marks. Outreach and inclusivity ranking weightage 0.15. Outreach footprint, continuing education services, 25 marks. Percentage of the students from the other, 25 marks. Percentage of the women students and faculty, 20 marks. Percentage of the economically and socially disadvantaged student, 20 marks. Facility for differently abled persons, 10 marks. Perception process of the peer rating in category, 50 marks. Ranking weightage 0.10. Application to seat ratio, 50 marks. Teaching learning resources, TLR, teaching learning resources, 100 marks. Ranking weightage 0.40. Overall assessment metric, TLR, FSR, FQ plus LL, SEC. Faculty student ratio with emphasis on the permanent faculty, FSR, 30 marks. This assessment will be based on the ratio of the number of the regular faculty members in a college and total sanctioned approved intake considering all the UG/PG program. Regular appointment means faculty on full-time basis with no time limit on their employment. However, faculty on the contract basis for a period of the not less than 3 years on gross salary to those who are permanent can also be included. faculty members with the PhD qualification and NET or SLT qualified with the master degree will be counted. Visiting faculty with a PhD who are visiting the institution on a full-time basis for at least one semester can be included in the count for that semester. The benchmark is set as a ratio of the 1:20 for scoring maximum mark. Assessment metric will be the same for the university and the college. FSR 30 into 20 into F into N. N is the total number of the sanctioned students in the institution regarding considering all UG and PG program, including the PhD program. F equal to F1 plus 0.3 F2. F1 equal to full-time regular faculty of all UG and PG program in the previous year. F2 eminent teacher faculty with the PhD visiting the institution for at least a semester on a full-time basis can be counted with a count of 0.5 for each such visiting faculty for a semester in the previous year. Expected ratio is the 1:20 to score maximum marks. F less n equal to 1/50, FSR will be set equal to 0. Data collection from the concerned institution in a prescribed format on an online faculty as mentioned in the parable, an institution will be eligible for the ranking if all the relevant and updated data about the faculty member in the previous 3 years is available on a publicly visible website. The data will be archived and also maintained by the ranking agency on a random sample basis. Combined metric or the faculty with the PhD and experience 30 marks. Equal weightage of the 15 marks is assigned both for the qualification and the experience. Doctoral qualification, this will be measured on the basis of the percentage of faculty with PhD in a relevant field. NET qualified faculty registered for the PhD may also be counted. However, faculty with the only post-graduation, MA, MSc, MCom cannot be counted. The expected benchmark would be different for the university and colleges to account for the ground reality. Assessment metric for the college on PhD qualification is as follows. FQ 15 into F by 95 or F less than 95%. FQ equal to 15 for F greater than 95%. F is the percentage of the faculty with the PhD average for the previous 3 years, imply that the benchmark is a minimum of the 95% to get the maximum score, decreasing proportionately otherwise. Experience metric, experience should normally be assessed based on the relevant experience of the faculty member. Relevance here means the experience pertaining to the subject area being taught by the faculty member, more specifically E equal to EI F. EI denotes the experience of the ith faculty member. For simplicity, however, EI may also be calculated from the age of the profile of the faculty members as follows. AI minus 30 for AI less than 45 years. EI equal to 15 for AI greater than 45 years. Assessment metric for the experience, FE 15 into E by 15 for E less than 15 years. FE equal to 15, E greater than 50 years. Here E is the average years of the experience of all faculty members are calculated above. This implies that the benchmark experience is to be 15 years to score the maximum marks, decreasing the proportionally otherwise. Data collection, university to submit information in a tabular form of indicating faculty name, age, qualification, indicating the university attended for the qualifying degree and academic experience updated for the last 3 years should be available on a publicly available website and suitably achieved for the consistency check in the subsequent year. Data verification on a random sampling basis, combined metric for the faculty qualification experience is as follows. Metric for the library and the laboratory faculty. Equal weightage for the 15 marks is proposed to be assigned to the library and the laboratory facility. Library equal to LI equal to 15 into percentile parameter on the basis of the annual expenditure on the library resources per student. XL1 X lives into the X lies X lib divided by N X lies 2 into X lie into N. XLIP actual annual expenditure on the physical resources, books, journal, etc. XLI, actual annual expenditure on the economic resources, book, journal, etc. If this expenditure is below a threshold value to the determined separately for the each category of the institution, EXI 0. Laboratory, what about arts, commerce, and the law college? LB 15 into percentile parameter on the basis of the annual expenditure on creation and maintenance of the laboratory resources. If this expenditure is below a threshold value to be determined separately for each category of institution, XLB equal to 0. Command metric, library and the lab resources, LL, LI plus LB. Metric for the sports facility and the extracurricular activity, SEC 10 marks. Equal weightage will be given to the sports facility, sports budget, and the top performance and the extracurricular activity. Extracurricular activity may physically include, but not limited to, the class, forum, NCC, NSS, etc. Parameter to be used for sports and extracurricular facility are as follows. A, the sports facility area per student. B, actual expenditure per student on sports EC activity. And C is the number of top position in inter-college sports and the EC event. Each parameter has to be evaluated on a percentile basis to obtain the parameter PA, PB, and PC. Weights assigned to the three components are the 0.5, 0.25, and 0.25 respectively. PC equal to 1 if a college has at least 3 winners of a state or the national level. Assessment metric for sports and the extracurricular activity. SEC 10 into PA into 2, PA by 2, PB by 4, PC by 4. Data collection to be obtained from the institution. Data verification by ranking agency on a random sample basis. Research productivity, impact, and IER. Research productivity, impact, and IER 100 marks. Ranking weight 0.20. Overall assessment metric RPC, PU plus CI. Combined metric publication 45 marks. The publication index in the Scopus, Web of Science, Google Scholar, and Indian Citation Index only will be counted for assessment. An average value P for the previous 3 years will be computed as detailed lenders later in this item. The college will submit list of the publication published by their faculty as supporting information. However, the primary sources of information will be the Scopus, Web of the Science, Google Scholar, and the Indian Citation Index. Books monograph should have ISBN number and published by the reputed publisher. Assessment metric for the publication is as follows. PU equal to 45 into the percentile parameter expressed as a fraction on the basis of the P by F. P is the number of publication weighted average of the number given by the Scopus, Web of Science, Google Scholars, and Indian Citation Index over the previous 3 years. P equal to 0.3 PW plus 0.5 PS plus 0.5 PG plus 0.5 PI. Here, PW is the number of publication reported in Web of Science. PS is the number of publication reported in Scopus. PG, number of publication reported in the Google Scholar. PI, number of publication reported in Indian Citation Index. F is the number of regular faculty members as used in the item 1. Combined metric of the citation, CI 45 marks. The assessment is to be based on the ratio of the number citation in the previous 3 years to the number of paper published during this time. A weighted average of the numbers from the 4 popular citation database will be used. The institution will be asked to provide information in a tabular form giving the relevant details. However, the primary sources will be the 4 citation database, namely Scopus, Web of Science, Google Scholar, and the Indian Citation Index. Assessment metric for the citation, CI 50 into percentile parameter expressed as a fraction on the basis of the CC into P for category A, percentile parameter on the basis of the P. Here, CC is the total citation count over the previous 3 years, and P is the total number of publication over this period as a computed for the 2A. CC is the computed as follows. CC equal to 0.3 CCW plus 0.5 CCS plus 0.1 CCG plus 0.1 CCI. CCW, total number of citation reported in the Web of Science. CCS, total number of citations reported in Scopus. CCG, total number of citations reported in the Google Scholar. CCI, total number of citations reported in Indian Citation Index. Intellectual property right. IPR and the patents granted, filed and license. Mass distribution grants 4 March, filed 2 March, licensed 4 March. IPR will be broadly included for information based on the designs and pattern for the last 3 years. Assessment method will be identified and calculation will be made as per the following formula. IPR equal to PF plus PG plus PL. Assessment of the IPR on patents filed, PF equal to 2 into percentile parameter on the basis of the PF by F. Assessment of the IPR on patents granted, PG equal to 4 into percentile parameter expressed as a fraction on the basis of the PG by F. Assessment of the IPR on patents including the designs license, PL equal to 2 into IP plus 2 into percentile parameter expressed as fraction on the basis of the EPF divided by F. PF is the number of the patent, copyright, design filed. PG is the number of the patent, copyright, design granted, registered. PL is the number of the patent, copyright, design licensed. EP is the total number of the patents, etc. during the last 3 years. F is the number of the permanent faculty member. IP equal to 1 if at least one patent was licensed in the previous 3 years, or at least one technology transferred during this period. IP equal to 0 otherwise. Data collection to be made available by the concerned institution online. Data verification by ranking agency on the random sample basis. Graduation outcome, GO 100 marks. Ranking weight 0.15. Overall assessment metric, GO UE plus PE. Combined performance in the university examination, UE equal to 50 marks. Assessment in the respect of the university examination will be based on the percentage of the student clearing complying with the degree requirement in the minimum graduation time. Data will be obtained from the university or the concerned colleges. Here UE barabar university examination equal to 50 marks, or public examination UE equal to 50 into N into 80. Here N is the percentage of student as a fraction of those students admitted for the batch average over the previous 3 years graduating in the minimum time. At least 80% of students should be graduate in minimum time to score maximum marks. Data collection, UE data from the instruction to be verified on a random samples basis, but the preferably directly from the university examination section if possible. Combined performance in the public examination, P equal to 50 marks. Assessment in respect of the public examination will be based on the cumulative percentile of the student as a fraction of the number of the appearing qualifying public examination such as a UPSC, state PSC, SSC, government, GATE, NET, CAT, etc. from institution out of the cumulative number of the successful student in that year. An effort should be made to connect with the examination conducting agency to prepare the institute-wise data. P, public examination, 50 marks. For public examination, we first calculate the percentile parameter as follows. Let Fi be the fraction of the successful student from a given institution, ratio of the number of successful and number of appearing for the examination. Fi equal to 0 when either number of the appearing or successful candidates is nil. And Fi be the toughness parameter of the examination I. Then the P equal to fraction percentile of the 1 into TI and to Fi, where number of successful candidates in examination I, TI number of candidates appearing in the examination. Cumulative data is thus based across the different examination according to their toughness index, which is measured by the ratio of the successful candidate to the total number of the appearing. P equal to 50 into cumulative percentile of the student from the institution in the cumulative data of the public examination. Data collection, data from the Public Service Commission and examining body will be collected. Outreach and the inclusivity, 100 marks. Outreach in inclusivity, OI, 100 marks. Ranking weight, 0.15. Overall assessment metric, OI, CS plus RD plus WS, ECS plus PCS. Outreach footprint, continuing education services CS 25 marks. Information to be sought from the institution regarding names and number of the CEP courses organized with the number of the participant. Teacher training and related outreach activity. Participation in important development programs such as a PG Pathshala, MOOC, or the related activity, etc. Interaction with the industry, facilitation of the faculty in the quality improvement. Any other the activity falling in this category. Assessment metric for the outreach footprint is as follows. CS equal to 25 into percentile parameter based on N. Here N is the number of participation certificate issued per year. Average over previous 3 years of teacher industry personnel for the outreach program of the 6 days or more. Percentile parameter calculated separately for each category. Percentage student from the other state, country, regional diversity, 25 marks. Assessment metric, RD equal to 18 into percentile fraction of the total student admitted, average over the past 3 years from other states, 7 into percentile fraction of the student admitted, average over past 3 years from other country. Percentage of the women student and faculty, 20 marks. WS equal to 8 into N1 by 50 plus 8 into N2 by 20 plus 4 N2 N3 by 2. N1 and N2 are the percentage of the women student and faculty respectively. N3 is the number of women members of the eminence as institute head or on the governing body of colleges being ranked. Benchmarks, 50% women student, 20% women faculty, and 2 women as institute head in the governing board of the score maximum marks. Percentage of the economically and socially disadvantaged student, ESD 20 marks, ESC 20 into N by 50, where N is the percentage of economically and socially disadvantaged student, average over for the previous 3 years. Benchmark, 50% economically and socially disadvantaged student should be admitted to the score maximum marks. Facility for the differently abled person, PCA, 10 marks, PDS, 10 marks. The marks for the facility provided to differently abled person are as follows. Ramps, 2 marks, lift, 2 marks, walking aids, 5 marks, disabled front toilet, 1.5 marks, Braille special labs, 1 mark, audio visual aids, including software, 1.5 marks, perception, 100 marks, perception, 100 marks, ranking weight, 0.1, overall assessment metric, PR plus SR. Process of the peer rating in category PR, 15 marks. Peer rating is to be done through a survey conducted over a large category of academics, institution, heads, HR head of employers, member of the funding agency in the government, private sector, NGO, etc. A comprehensive list may be compiled and circulated periodically to the concerned stakeholder. An online survey may be carried out in a time-bound fashion through the NRIF website. Application of the seat ratio, 50 marks. Application to seat ratio will be based on the ratio of the number of students applying for a course and the total sanctioned approved intake, considering all the UG and PG program. Data will be obtained from the university or the concerned college. Assessment metric will be the same for the university and colleges and will be calculated individually for each category. SR equal to 50 into R by R here. R equal to A by S. R is the maximum value of R in the considered set of the institution. S the total number of the sanctioned approved intake of the institution, considering all UG and PG program. A is the total number of applications received in the institution concerning all UG and the PG program.